Now we will try to paint this, and this is very cute, and I think we will change a little bit of these colors. I think we will mix this pale yellow and this green to get some other shade, and also I need a little bit more of this yellow in this because I want different colors now. So I'm recording this video after the last one, and I think it's better like this because you can't activate acrylics later because they are like plastic. They turn into plastic. And so we have this for these vases, and I will add more of this brown, maybe more here, more of this black into this brown, and I think that is final touch of brown. So now we will add a little ones of these brushes, and I want to add more yellow in this green and in that green. So we will try to get some other shades of green, a little bit more, I don't know, vivid colors of green, and like here. Okay, and then with this, where is my stick? So we want to mix this to be dark, very dark brown, almost black. And here is today so hot, I don't know what is happening. I want to add a bit of orange because we have one sun here. We will start from this sun, I think. So I will take this angle brush, mix this orange, and we will start from making this sun like this maybe. So it is pretty round, and I think it's beautiful. Here you go. This is the sun, and I want to add like this for texture. And now we need to dry. So that is that. That is our sun. Our sun is not totally dry, but okay. We will start from the vases. So we have some vases here. One will be darker brown and one will be lighter brown. I think that the lighter brown need to be smaller, and it will go something like this. Wait, maybe here, like this, and then like this. So that is one vase, and the other one will be bigger and will be starting somewhere here. So that is upper part like this, maybe a little bit thicker. This is like bottles, and then like this, and then will be somewhere here is finishing line. And this one has also some shadows. And now we need some branches, and these branches are from this. Maybe if I mix, wait a minute, if I mix this dark with this dark. I ordered from Timo some spatulas, so I will need that, but they didn't come yet. They come in the country, but they didn't come in my place yet. So now just in this ways we have some branch, and it is one branch like pretty long. So never mind, like this, and then some leaves here and some other branches here and there, and we have something like this. That is nice, I like it. And then here are some lines, and I don't know, should I put these lines or not? I was thinking maybe more of these branches, maybe like this. There go like that, and also here, but from this angle, and also here and here. Then I want to add more of the texture on these bottles, like here. And then on this black one also. And our painting is finished now. So it is very simple and effective and quick. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!